case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the landmark case Allen v. Heckler, heard in 1985 by the United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit, the core tenets of the Rehabilitation Act of 1973 came dramatically under the spotlight. The act mandates that physically handicapped employees should be on equal footing compared with other workers, unless a valid substantial reason can justify otherwise. At the heart of the case were former patients of St. Elizabeth S., a federal mental hospital, who were employed as part of an affirmative action plan. Their allegations centered on the apparent discrimination they faced, which was rooted in their past institutionalization. Lower courts had initially ruled in the favor of the plaintiffs, spotlighting the perceived injustice they faced. In an unexpected twist, the higher courts, while affirming the discrimination, sent the case back to the district court for reevaluation, sparking more interest in the case's outcome. Intense scrutiny fell upon St. Elizabeth's accepted service program. Critics argued it blatantly violated the act by granting fewer benefits to ex-patients doing equivalent work as those protected by affirmative action. The onus now fell on the district court to devise a fair and just solution, one that acknowledged St. Elizabeth's need to maintain a degree of flexibility in shaping job tenure rules, particularly for accepted workers. In an extraordinary balancing act, the court sought to respect the vested interests of both St. Elizabeth's and the government, alongside the objectives of the Rehabilitation Act, most notably, the Act's powerful injunction against the unfair denial of job protection for previously institutionalized mental patients. Any unrelated benefits or protections had to be fully granted, underlining the comprehensive scope of the Act. As the dust settled on this landmark case, the district court was charged with the difficult task of reevaluating the job tenure benefits for handicapped workers. In doing so, the court needed to simultaneously consider the government's vested interest in maintaining flexibility and St. Elizabeth's justifiable need for rule-setting autonomy.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.